That is so cool. To the corner. Oh my gosh, you said no competition. No fair. This one? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh shoot.
I guess I'm recording you. There's a boat on the right up. We should keep right. Hey.
So you guys don't ever fall in?
Not yet. Hi there. See, those people are hanging there. Yeah, we can actually sit down, Robbie, and relax. Meditate on these boards while floating. Oh, it's a sea otter. Okay. Yes, see, Robbie? It stays on top of the water. It's like on her back. Right? She floats on her back now. Oh my. We'll turn at the sea light, at the lighthouse. And you give me, you make waves. I'm so happy there are many boats, you know. Okay, let's slow down here for a second so he can leave. Oh, look at all those birds there, Robbie. Or what are those? Let's get there. We should run up there, Robbie. A little bit around the harbor. Later. I don't know how deep it's here. I probably deep enough to not break, damage the rudder. What's called the... What is this noise? We should come more often, Robbie. It's beautiful. You know, like just play on the beach or swim. You know, with our wetsuits, just a little bit to get used with the open water. Maybe we can come with Scott try. Or what's called you know that meetup? The meetup?
Oh yeah.
How are your knees? Yeah? I'm a little bit sore. I think I stay a little bit tense. I try to not look down, look only ahead. But it's pretty good. You know, if you have a little bit of speed, you have good balance. Yeah. I'm trying. We are out, Robbie. Yeah, we are. I think I'm on a turn though, if you don't mind.
Hey buddy. You're too close, babe. You're gonna scare them. Being my first time, I thought I'd get lots of falls, but we stayed upright, unbelievably.
She's going, this is my only chance to crash, she's right in my way.
Look at you.